to Chateau de Lalande's Advent Calendar Vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. Happy Christmas Eve, everybody. I can't believe it's the last day of Advent. It's gone so quickly. I have loved making every single one of these videos for you, and I know Michael has too. Tonight is the very first of our 12 days of Christmas celebrations, and I wanted to wear something super special, so I'm wearing the top that Marie bought me for Christmas this year. She gave it to me when she came to visit.
Open your presents.
I can't believe you bought presents.
Of course, it's Christmas, and I
But
don't
it's
see
not
you.
Christmas. It's naughty for me to open it now.
It is Christmas.
This is the naughtiest thing
This is
ever.
Christmas with me and you and Patrick.
3 people in our Christmas, and
Yeah.
it's an awesome Christmas.
Yeah.
Christmas elephant! Michael, I got Christmas elephant.
Yay!
I can't believe you gave me Christmas elephant.
What's wrong with the card?
I love the card.
This is exciting. When I saw this this gift, I just like, oh my god, this screams Stephanie. So hopefully you like it. What is it? What's this?
Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Oh.
You like
I love it. Oh, I love it so much.
It's a bit retro.
A bit retro.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Hello, Dynasty.
Oh yeah. So I'm going to show you how we start our Christmas celebrations every year at Lalande. We dress up for a party, we sing carols in the chapel, and we have canapes around the Christmas tree. Come along with us. I'm making homemade brioche to go around a Mont d'Or so that we can each pick up a brioche and then dip it into the melted cheese. I just have to make little individual balls. So tiny. Oh, we need to get the cheese. Does anyone know where the Mont d'Or is? It's a wild night, beginning parties of Christmas, so 2 Mont d'Or night. This is an incredible cheese from the Alpes region in France, Haute-Savoie, and it's really creamy and it's always used in France to melt. And now we're placing little blobs of brioche around it, and it'll all be cooked together.
I have been sent on a task to go and illuminate the chapel.
Oh, Illuminati.
Yes.
A special Illuminati task for the evening.
Our chapel?
See, I love the fact that you're going with wine.
Yes.
How are we doing, Michael?
Yep. Let's get the lights and see what it looks like. Doesn't it look magic? Okay, there's mist coming out now.
Oh, Michael, I like the Christmas outfit.
Thank you very much.
Osman, you look amazing.
Thank you. You look amazing.
I have never seen that jacket on you. I've never seen you looking so lovely as you look tonight.
Never seen you.
Man in red.
Yeah, you need to put that on.
But I particularly like the ruff. Can I touch your ruff? Look at that. It's superb. I'm very jealous of it. Very.
I'm taking my baby to the winter salon.
Well, I think everyone should follow you and your baby.
Look at that!
Oh, you like it? It's my Mont d'Ors and homemade brioche.
I'll swap you.
How about you
Part
have a little
exchange?
bit of my brioche and Mont d'Or?
Part exchange?
I like it. Yeah, barter system. So happy Christmas is starting. Here we go, we can eat.
Can we eat?
Yes. Beautifully done. Christmas has officially started at Lalande. Yay! Cheers! Merry Christmas, everyone! Donna, your bruschetta look amazing. And I'm pretty pleased with how my brioche and Mont d'Or turned out. Here we go.
Probably should be a spoon with the hummus.
Yes. Oh, that looks so good. Could just watch that all night, I think. Yes. There's obviously one very important person missing from this perfect evening, and he's just sent me a message that I'll share with you.
Hi, Steph. Sorry I can't be there for your party. But, you know, as soon as you stole me last Christmas, it's only fair that I spend this one with my family. But I'm just doing a few last minute things, wrapping presents while you're all enjoying yourselves. But I just want you to have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year.
We're missing you being with us so much, Michael, but you are with us in spirit, and we'll see you really soon.
We're making hot cider with Calvados, a little bit of rum, some star anise, cloves, cardamom, and fresh ginger.
And you're using my lovely Mazarin cups.
Ceramic, they're really good for holding the
I
heat
know,
when you're
perfect
outside.
for the chapel. I love the way you're using a little strainer. Oh my goodness. What is it you're straining at? Is that garlic in our drink?
It's ginger, fresh ginger.
My goodness for that. Okay, everybody.
Thank you.
It is time. Would you like a hot toddy?
Merry
Merry Christmas! Oh, it's nice. That is properly amazing.
Good way to kick off then.
And we need warming before we go out to the chapel.
Absolutely.
Urgently. Oh my goodness, it's freezing!
Pretending?
Why do we do this? Every year.
In heels on grass.
I know, we're sinking in. It's like quicksand. Oh, it is beautiful and magical though, isn't it? The Chapel of St. Joseph. My God, you've made it so beautiful.
Not warm, but yes.
I can see my breath, it's never a good sign.